Everyone, good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Much appreciated. I am Rich, Six String Fun. Do something a little bit different today. Never was a huge fan of Motley Crue. I mean, I certainly liked them, but they was never top 5, top 10 for me. I mean, just always dug them, but you know, Rush, Springsteen, Van Halen, and then just other things from there. So, but this was always a tune that I liked. Again, a lot of tunes that I do like, so don't kill me for that. I'm just kind of being honest with you in terms of where they fall on my who I like scale, basically. But you know, always dug this tune. Kind of just did. It was a nice ballad, Home Sweet Home, Motley Crue, Theater of Pain album. I don't know the year. I'm going to say 85 or 86. So let me know if I'm even close on that one. Let me know. But fairly straightforward with the chords, you know, at least for some of them. Got a C shape. I tend to add my pinky here just to give it a little bit of a more of a high end. I walk the bass note down to the B. Now we're gonna do some bar chords, so you got to do the bar chords. So I got a B flat to the F, but we're also gonna have an A flat or a G sharp, depending which way you're moving, to the B flat, and I'm gonna incorporate this C shape or this C bar chord here. I could do it here, but I just think for dynamics I like doing this. So really straightforward, but let's get into it. And I had to double check on this because I think typically a lot of the Crue tunes, they're tuned down half step, a whole step, just to kind of give it that heavier sound. I believe this is standard tuning, so you don't really need to do anything unless you want to, I guess, but seems to work well this way. So let's kind of get into it. I'm just going to show you my strumming pattern, how I do it, whether or not it's just like the album. I don't know. I tend to make things my own. That's kind of what I tell everyone here if you're watching the video. Make it your own. Make it sound like how you want to sound, especially if you're going from a band like Crue to the acoustic guitar. Make it your own. So this is how I would start off with the tune. So I'm going to that C, and I get 1 or 2 strums on that traditional C, and I bring my pinky into that high E string on the 3rd fret. So, and all I do is walk that bass note up, getting rid of this finger, but keeping that finger on there. I go to the B flat, to the F. And I guess the strumming pattern, you know, if you want to hear how I strum it. So every time I'm moving to a chord, it's kind of change. 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 Right? So I kind of do it that way. Make it your own, whatever's good with you, right? So we'll go through it one more time. And then I'm on my way. A flat. To the B flat. Home sweet home. To that C. Back to the A flat, to the B flat. All right, we go back into it. Continue, back to that chorus piece. Just set me free, oh sweet home. Now, the solo is going to come in. The solo itself is actually pretty long, but what's going on here is we're going to play this. So we're kind of going up and down these bar chords. Bar chords. And that'll just continue, and I believe it's going to come back. It's going to end on that C. I would think it's a good idea to end if you're playing the bar chords, right? I got it right, actually. The piano is going to come back in. I can just go back here. So even though I'm playing the same chord, it's giving it some dynamics. End of solo. And I think that's the tune for the most part, so make it your own. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's a fun one to play. It really is. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. It's all good. Let me know what you're thinking, and we will go from there on the next one. So see you on the next video. Much appreciated. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye.